Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we are opening up Sips By. Sips By is a tea subscription. It is monthly. It costs $16 per month. Or is it $15? Shoot, I can't remember. I will link Sips By down below. And usually there is a code that will save you $5 off your first box. So I believe it is $15. I apologize if I'm off by $1, but yeah, you get your first box for $10, and then I believe it's either $15 or $16 per month. And you get 16 teas each month based on a profile, so it's pretty specific. You can let them know what types of teas you like, caffeine or not, and they go through all these different herbs and flavors and all of that. So it is made just for you, and it's a great way to try new teas before purchasing a full set, and you can get the teas you like at a discount on their website. So I will link Sips By down below, and let's get started. I have become such a tea drinker. I'm excited to see what we have. So, October teas. See, made for Kitty. Hi Kitty, October is finally here, and with it brings crisp morning, colorful autumn leaves, and sweater sleeves wrapped around mugs of cozy tea. This spooky season, we used our tea magic and picked out some scary good teas. We hope you'll love sipping this month. XOXO. I almost want to say Gossip Girl Sips By. Okay, let's see what we got. So whenever you get loose leaf tea, you get some disposable bags, which is really nice if you don't have a diffuser at home. And like I said, we get 4 different types. Let's start off with this right here. This is ceremonial grade Encha. So this is matcha. Okay, I've been watching a lot of like YouTube morning routines and stuff, and a lot of like these girls drink matcha, and I have been craving it, so I'm so glad I got more. So this is directly from a farm in Japan. That's really cool. And it's a resealable bag, which is really nice. And ceremonial grade Encha is premium first harvest organic matcha that is ground from the most tender leaves each spring. Enjoy the smooth and delicately grassy taste by properly whisking it with hot water. Oh, I've seen people do that in their videos too. I've never done that, so now I know. But I'm glad they explained what Encha was, because I wasn't really sure when I read that on the front. So I'm really excited about this. This sounds really good. Let's see what it says here. This will let you know like the notes of your teas and also the caffeine. So this is high caffeine, awesome. And it is 100% organic, grounded from the most tender tea leaves. I always talked about that, from the hills of Uji, Japan. And it'll tell you how much water to use and all of that. So awesome. Super excited about this. I literally was just thinking about matcha. And now we have 4 servings of David's tea. And this is the green passion fruit. And let's read more about it on this here. So where is this? Low caffeine. Calling all passion fruit lovers, this fresh tropical green tea will become your new obsession. Try this juicy and energizing blend as a refreshing fruity iced tea. This sounds like something great for the afternoon. You don't want too much caffeine. I try not to have caffeine besides green tea if it's after 1 p.m. So that would be good for that. And then, this sounds so good and so fall. This is by Ahmads Tea, London. And this is a black tea. And it's called Apple Refresh. A blend of the highest quality black teas enhanced with the refreshing flavor of apple. A charming and fragrant tea to entice the taste buds. Oh my god, this seems so fall and I love it. I don't think I've ever had an apple tea. And this is high caffeine. And Ahmad Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. This tea is delicious, hot or iced. Love that. And then here we have a loose leaf tea by Davidsons Organics. And this is Earl Grey Cream. So it is made with black tea, calendula flowers, corn flowers, and natural flavor. It says okay, it gives you directions here. Let's see what it says on this. So this has high caffeine, and Earl Grey is said to have been created for the second Earl of Grey in the 1800s. This blend combines full-body organic black tea with a creamy vanilla and bergamot. That sounds really good. I love black teas earlier in the morning because of the high caffeine content, and I just think they taste really good too. So I am super excited about all of these. I'm really glad I got matcha, like I said. And I'm probably the most excited to taste the apple one because it's just so fall, and It's still like really warm where I live, so it's nice to get fall, like a sense of fall through like, you know, teas I drink or food I have or whatever, you know, because I don't really have the sweaty, cozy weather here in Florida, but that's okay. I will live vicariously through everyone on the internet. So that is everything for Sips By. I am super excited. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you a tea drinker? And again, the link and a code to save $5 will be in the description. I hope you guys are all well. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you super soon. I love you. Bye.